5G PCB trends. Printed circuit boards, PCBs, are the foundation of the electronics industry, and they play a critical role in the development of 5G technology. Here are some of the latest trends in 5G PCBs. High-frequency and high-speed PCB materials. 5G systems operate at higher frequencies and require higher data rates, which means that PCBs need to be designed with high-frequency and high-speed materials to minimize signal loss and maintain signal integrity. Small form factor. The small form factor of 5G devices is driving the demand for PCBs with increased density and miniaturization. The use of advanced manufacturing techniques like microvias, blind vias, and buried vias help in reducing the size of the PCBs. Advanced fabrication technologies. Advanced fabrication techniques such as advanced laser drilling, microetching, and direct plating are used to create high-density interconnects, HDI, for the 5G PCBs. These techniques enable manufacturers to produce smaller, more complex boards with tighter tolerances. Thermal management. 5G devices generate a significant amount of heat, which can cause damage to the PCB and the surrounding components. Therefore, PCB designers are incorporating advanced thermal management techniques like heat sinks, thermal vias, and thermal pads to dissipate the heat generated by these devices. Integration with other technologies. 5G is not just about faster wireless connectivity, it's about integrating different technologies such as IoT, AI, and cloud computing to create a seamless experience for the end user. PCB designers are incorporating additional components on the PCBs to support these technologies, such as sensors and microcontrollers. Overall, the trends in 5G PCBs are focused on improving performance, reducing size, and enabling integration with other technologies. PCB designers need to keep up with these trends to stay ahead of the curve in this rapidly evolving industry.